about showing up more online through video, but the thought of actually showing your face terrifies you. Maybe it doesn't even terrify you. Maybe it's the thought of having to get all dolled up just to get on camera. Don't worry, I've been there, and sometimes I still don't want to get online and actually show my face. So I don't. How do you show up online without showing your face? No worries, I have 4 simple tricks to help you show up online and show up for your business. So let's get into it. Hi, my name is Jasmine Hunt, and I help business owners just like you show up online through branding, content creation, and stock photos. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you 4 ways to show up online without showing your face. Whether it's through YouTube videos, IG Reels, IG Stories, TikToks, or even going live, there are so many ways to show up online without showing your face. So let's get into the 4 ways to show up and show out for your business. The number 1 way I like to show up is through screen recordings. Screen recordings are a great way for people to show their value and their expertise in their field. You can use screen recordings to show your process and your services, or how to use a certain software, or actually see what it's like to sign up for your membership or for your services. Think about your niche and what are some step-by-step instructions that will help them with a need that relates back to your business. For me, I love showing my audience how to customize stock photos through Canva. By giving step-by-step instructions on how to do something, this sets you apart, making you the go-to person with the expertise to teach in a simpler way. Some screen recording ideas for you to think about. Try doing software tutorials, how-to tutorial, showing your workflow, or even product reviews. The next way is to use slideshows or presentations. This is a great way to show up and show your expertise. If you really want to show your audience a strategy or something that you can walk them through step by step. Add in some graphics, some stock photos, and stock videos, or showing photos of your process through those slides. If you've ever been on a webinar or a live video, then you know that instructors use this type of method to teach their audience something. So that's helping you build that authority and credibility in your business. When doing slideshows or presentations, make sure to show your personality. Laugh a bit, show some personal tidbits about your life, and keep your audience engaged by adding in those extra elements of excitement. The 3rd way is to use stock photos and stock videos. You can use stock photos and stock videos for inspirational or educational content, and you can add in graphics within those stock photos and stock videos as you record yourself through audio. Now, you just don't want to use just static images. You're going to want to personalize it to your business. So add in text while you're talking over the video or the stock photo. You're going to want to add in some graphics and some fun elements such as animation. This will keep your audience engaged and looking to see what exactly you're talking about. And the 4th way to show up without showing your face is through product demos. All you need to do is point your phone or your camera down and show with your hands how you're doing or working on something. I like to do this when I'm creating a fun demo showing how I am creating a stock photo. So show your hands or show different angles of the product so people can get a better look at your product or how you create those products. This will give them a better understanding of what you do and how it is such an investment to get your product. So you got those 4 ways to show up without showing your face. From screen recordings, slideshows, and presentations to using stock photos and stock videos. And the last way is product demonstration. Now you need the tools to actually use them. So I have several tools that will help you show up online without showing your face. So for audio, I usually use either my laptop, which is a Mac Air, or I'll use my iPhone. And these have great audio, so I like to just use those. It's super simple, super easy. So showcasing product demonstrations, I like to use a tripod for my iPhone. If I want to make it very high quality, then I'll use my tripod that I use for my camera. And for screen recording, I like to use QuickTime Player, and that's already embedded onto the iMac or my laptop. With QuickTime Player, you can screen record and actually talk over it, but what I like to do is I'll create the video, screen record the video, and then I'll come back and actually record my voiceover. And when I'm screen recording over my phone, I like to use the screen recorder that's on my iPhone. For editing, I like to use iMovie. If you're on a Windows computer, then I used to love using Wondershare for editing my videos. If I'm editing on my phone, then I love to use InShot. For creating graphics or slideshows, I love to use Canva, of course. But there's also other ways that you can create your slideshows, such as creating it on a PowerPoint or on Google Slides. And for stock photos and stock videos, I love to use the Shebo stock membership, where I have access to over 5,000 stock photos and stock videos and even graphics to help you create the presentation, the slideshow, or any other type of demonstration that you can imagine without showing your face. So there you have it, 4 ways to show up online, plus some tools that you can use to make that happen. Face or not, you need to have intention behind what you create. Make sure in every video that you focus on the pain points that you solve and the people that you solve them for. These are beginner-friendly tips that will help you get started, but I don't want you to stay here. Once you get the hang of showing up using your voice, then it's time to show your face. So once you get the hang of it, start showing your face a little bit more. Maybe it's once every other video. Or try adding photos of yourself throughout your videos so people can recognize the face behind the brand. Be bold, be you. You got this. Now go let your creativity shine bright. If you want more tips on standing out in your niche, then head on over to this playlist because this is going to show you just how to stand out.